Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training, and in this 5-minute tech tip we are going to learn some good introduction to InDesign stuff, namely inserting pages and how to kind of do it sort of properly and having some consideration for our master pages. So I did a whole other lesson on that, so check out my tutorial on master pages. So we have this document here, and you can see I have a number of different pages on here. You'll also notice that it starts on page 37. I'll show you how I did that and why. And also you see up on top in my pages panel, I have the master pages section here. Okay, if you don't have your pages panel, you can always go up to Window, go to Pages, and there it will be. Okay, so sometimes those things want to disappear. So how do I even insert pages? So super easy, just simply right click and you can see here is insert pages. Also notice down here at the bottom you can say create new page. I like to do this, right click, insert pages. It's going to tell me, all right, well, how many pages do you want to insert? I'm going to say 2 pages. Where do you want to insert it? Either after a particular page, before, at the start, or the end of the document. I'm just going to do it after page 43, but notice of course I can change it from here as well. And it's asking me right off the bat, which master do I want to use? Again, check out my other videos on master pages. So basically, like, what's the layout that I'm considering? Of course, I can change this after the fact, but I'm going to go ahead and just do A2 columns, just like that. I click OK, and just like that, there are my 2 pages that have come in based off of those masters. And if we take a look at those masters, I'm going to double click on this, you'll see, bam, there they are. At the bottom, it tells me A2 columns. That's how I know where I'm at. It also tells me what the layout's going to look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and come down here, and then bam, there we are. So let's say I decided I want to change my master to something else. Super easy. Just go ahead and just drag what you want on top of it. And notice this is a kind of a spread here, left side, right side. I only want the left side to look like this. So I just simply click and drag right on top of it, and then bam, this will now be 3 columns. This is 2 columns. Super easy. Can't get any easier than that. Okay? So that's how you insert new pages, right? So really not that hard. Now, in terms of your kind of custom page numbers, if you right click on there, you're going to see here are some options for my numbering and section options. So when I click on that, you'll notice it says here, start page numbering at, and see it says 36. So if I just want to override this entirely, I'm just going to go ahead and say 1. I click OK. And now you'll notice that everything now goes 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way down, and the one that was like 30, whatever, 43 before is now 8 and 9. Okay, so super easy to do that. Some of you may have a need to do that for whatever reason. You're creating one certain part of the book or something like that, however you want to do that. You're merging together different documents. Okay, so that's a very simple, easy tutorial on inserting pages and also doing custom page numbers, and also a little bit about masters. Again, check out my other videos on that. It's just short and sweet, just how we like it. Yeah, please subscribe, like this, comment, check us out at sftechtraining.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.